Hey everyone, welcome to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to go over how to download TikTok on your iPhone.
First things first, open the App Store on your iPhone.
Sometimes you might see TikTok right on the homepage and you can download it straight from there. But if you don't see it, no worries.
Just tap the search icon in the bottom right corner.
Then, tap the search bar at the top and type in TikTok. It should be the first result that pops up, so tap on it. If you scroll down, you'll see some more info about the app. To actually download it, tap the Get button. You might need to enter your Apple ID. Now, I've downloaded it before, so mine shows a cloud icon. I'll tap that and it'll start downloading TikTok to my iPhone. Now, keep in mind that TikTok might not be available in the App Store depending on your region. If that's the case, you might need to change the region of your iPhone. I'll leave a video link in the description showing you how to do that. You might also need to use a VPN to spoof your location. I'll link a video for that too, down below. Once TikTok has downloaded, you'll see an Open button. Tap that, and TikTok will open, taking you to the sign-up screen. If you already have a TikTok account, just tap Login at the bottom and log in like usual. If you want to create a new account, tap Sign Up, and choose an option. I recommend signing up with your phone number or email. Then, just follow the steps to create your TikTok account. And that's it.
Pretty easy, right?
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Everything I've mentioned, including links to VPNs and how to change your region, can be found in the description below. Thanks for watching.